Landlord tips a game changer. Reduce stress and hassle, increase profits. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, still managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taurua region. Episode 4, expressing a tenant appreciation pays off. So showing appreciation to your tenants and communicating it isn't just nice, it's smart business. From first-hand experience looking after rentals for over 2 decades, I've found that when tenants feel valued, your investment thrives. It's just that easy. You see, there's 3 major benefits. You'll generally find tenants stay longer. Less turnover costs, of course, advertising, cleaning, repairs, and a stable rental income coming in. Property cared for. Appreciated tenants tend to treat the property with more respect, more likely to report maintenance issues early on, and keep the property cleaner and better maintained. Now, this is general, but it does seem to pay off. Better rapport. You'll have better communications, which will help resolve any rental issues more easily. That's what I found. Tenants are more understanding when inconvenienced by maintenance or repairs, particularly when tradies are there, maybe painting the house and it's over a week. Okay, so how do you show appreciation to these great tenants? In person, thank them for being great tenants at the property, or on the phone. Email, after a routine inspection, email them, thank them for looking after the property so well. Thank you cards are great, and even small gifts, i.e. a Prezi card at Christmas time is great for this, and or a Christmas ham. Everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated. Have you ever walked into a shop and been ignored, waiting patiently to be served, but it ain't happening? So what do? Well, I've walked out of a shop and never gone back. The beauty about this is when you do express genuine appreciation, it gets contagious, and you won't stop with just your tenants. You'll find this easy once it's a habit, but you do need to be authentic and mean what you say. Hey, I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.